We're learning that so much information and so much work that we do with women now during this midlife phase will actually impact their longevity or their long-term health. So we're building really the first women's health database focused on women's health in midlife and menopause. We started selling feminine care products targeted at feminine dryness as a scrappy way to help fund the business and help us build the business and convert more customers so that we could grow into offering other services and products like the telehealth that we're launching now. It's important for women to understand menopause simply to just feel better as they go through it. If they know what's happening in their bodies and they know what to do about it, they're going to live a happier, healthier life.